Hi, my name is Emma Nyambura. I'm from Limuru Girls School and I'm the marketing and finance manager of our company, Get in Touch. According to our research, despite a hike in private and company laundry services to over 80% in Kenya, there still exist significant challenges being faced in the country, such as access to modern technology, quality service, eco-friendly approaches, and service production. With about 37.4% of our country's population being unemployed, they face challenges such as access to clean water and energy that is crucial for doing laundry. With the rest of the population being employed, they face challenges such as traffic congestion that may lead to wastage of time when rushing to obtain laundry services, and air pollution that leads to high emission of greenhouse gas that leads to climate change that is bound to rise by 4 degrees in the next century, as per the research done by the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change.
Greetings, my name is Shelly Were from the Limuru Girls High School and I am the CEO of Get in Touch company. Our company plans to begin from Nairobi, extending to other regions. We plan to use scientific innovations to offer solutions. We plan to use the GPS for tracking and delivery services. We are also planning to offer certification of quality laundry services and planning to create awareness on eco-friendly services. Our company is planning to do marketing through leveraging power from social and print media. Thank you.
Greetings. My name is Elian Kiri from Limuru Girls, and I'm the woman representative of Get in Touch. The proper utilization of the competence-based curriculum detergents, our company distinguishes itself from competitors like Wasafi and the express laundry services by offering quality services at an affordable price. With such measures, our company is foreseeing to make monthly returns of about 30,000 Kenya shillings in the initial stages, which will be used in the market expansions. This will also create job opportunities. In summary, our company offers solutions to meet laundry needs for both the unemployed and the working class in Kenya through an uplift, eco-friendly,